Grade school, we learned from our teachers that starfish can regenerate, salamanders can regenerate, but people can't regenerate, right?
Can't grow a new arm.
Yeah, well, it's true. You can't grow a new arm, but we do regenerate. We regenerate every day.
Forget what you've learned about aging so far, because research by Dr. William Li shows that we can combat it from the inside out. According to him, our bodies are regeneration machines on a subtle level. But what if we could boost it up a notch? This video spills the tea, literally, on 3 amazing drinks that might enhance your body's natural healing power and keep you feeling younger for longer. After all, who wouldn't want to feel fantastic and perhaps even reduce a few wrinkles? Stick around to discover what's brewing in these magical elixirs. Who better to guide us on this journey of unlocking our body's regeneration potential than the stem cell guru himself, Dr. William Li? Now, if you haven't heard of Dr. Li, consider him the culinary Indiana Jones of the medical world. Dr. Li's on a quest to uncover the hidden treasures within food that hold the key to a longer, healthier life. He's a renowned physician, researcher, and author with best-selling books like Eat to Beat Disease and Eat to Beat Diet to his name. So basically, Dr. Li is the Yoda of nutritional wisdom, armed with knowledge ready to empower us to take charge of our well-being.
There's a medical revolution happening all around us, and it's one that's going to help us conquer some of society's most dreaded conditions, including cancer.
Dr. Li, our culinary Indiana Jones, isn't just searching for hidden treasures in food. He's also on a mission to understand how those treasures travel throughout our bodies. Imagine your bloodstream as a bustling marketplace. Nutrients and oxygen, the lifeblood of your cells, need a smooth delivery system. That's where angiogenesis comes in. It's like the invisible network of roads and bridges that Dr. Li believes holds the key to unlocking our body's repair power. This process allows your body to build brand new blood vessels, ensuring those vital supplies reach every corner of your cellular kingdom. It's crucial for everyday tasks like growing from a tiny embryo or patching up a wound. But Dr. Li suspects there's a dark side to this efficient delivery system. He believes uncontrolled angiogenesis might also play a role in some nasty diseases. But Dr. Li's research goes beyond just understanding the body's infrastructure, like the blood vessel network. He's also discovered some surprising allies in our quest for longer life. Drinks. That's right. There are 3 elixirs, as Dr. Li calls them, that can potentially supercharge your stem cells and keep you feeling younger for longer. Think of them as a secret power-up for your body's repair crew. But before we get into these magical drinks, Dr. Li also warns us about 2 sneaky villains, beverages that can actually sabotage our stem cell health. We'll reveal those at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. Now, let's get to the good stuff. First up on our Stem Cell Express, green tea and black tea.
Green tea will increase your stem cells, but guess what? So can black tea, right? So here's what the surprise
That way
is.
the Japanese live forever?
Well, you know,
all the green tea?
You know, people in Asia drink a lot of tea. People in Britain drink a lot of tea as well.
Yeah.
We used to say green tea is good, black tea is fermented, so it's not going to be that good for you. We're changing our minds. We have to keep our minds open. Black tea can also double the number of stem cells.
So why exactly are green and black tea on the stem cell supercharger list, as Dr. Li calls it? The secret lies in powerful molecules called polyphenols, especially one powerhouse named epigallocatechin gallate, found in green tea. Think of polyphenols as tiny bodyguards for your cells. They fight off free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and disease. But here's the exciting part. Studies suggest that EGCC and other polyphenols might also have anti-inflammatory properties, potentially supporting your body's natural repair processes, including stem cell function. Green and black tea are packed with these polyphenols, with green tea boasting higher levels of EGCC. That's why Dr. Lee recommends incorporating these delicious drinks into your healthy lifestyle. By doing so, you might be giving your stem cells a helping hand and promoting overall well-being. All aboard the Stem Cell Express. Next stop, hot chocolate heaven. Who knew that indulging in a warm cup of cocoa could also be a ticket to a longer, healthier life?
The darker the chocolate, the higher the flavonols. These are the bioactives that are naturally present in cacao.
Yeah.
And there was a study
These
done.
are the food as medicine components.
This is the food as
There
medicine
are literally these chemicals in food called phytochemicals or phytonutrients that actually have these medicinal properties.
They are made by Mother Nature. They're packed in the food, growing on the plant, and every plant-based food will actually have some type of bioactive. So, in cacao, which is a bean, which then you process to actually get kind of the cocoa powder. If you take the really dark chocolate, like 73% cacao, the really dark chocolate, and you make it into a high flavanol hot chocolate drink, and you have it twice a day. This was the clinical study. They found in people who wound up actually having drinking the hot chocolate twice a day over the course of a month, they doubled the number of stem cells compared to the people who didn't drink hot chocolate.
Dr. Lee believes the magic lies in a group of superstars called flavonols, naturally present in cocoa. Imagine these flavonoids as tiny rocket boosters for your stem cells. Just like marshmallows fuel your cocoa cravings, Dr. Lee suggests flavonols can give your stem cells a powerful boost, helping them function optimally. Last stop on our Stem Cell Express, a land of vibrant colors and powerful antioxidants, pomegranate juice. This crimson elixir isn't just delicious, it's a superhero in a bottle for your stem cells. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, it's like a delicious grenade of health exploding with benefits. Dr. Lee is a big fan of pomegranate juice, particularly because of its antioxidant punch. These antioxidants act like tiny shields, protecting your cells from damage. But that's not all. Pomegranate juice also contains these superstars called elagitannins. Think of them as secret weapons for your gut health. They can help cultivate beneficial bacteria, like a friendly army keeping your digestive system in top shape. Plus, these elagitannins might even have some sneaky tricks up their sleeve. Studies suggest they can potentially cut off the blood supply to tumors, leaving them starved for resources. We promise to reveal the two sneaky villains lurking in the beverage world, the drinks that can actually sabotage your stem cell health. First, alcohol. We all love a celebratory glass now and then, but Dr. Lee warns that excessive alcohol throws a wild party in your body, and your stem cells get trampled in the process. Remember those epic tequila shots you might have boasted about? Dr. Lee suggests even occasional binges can leave your stem cells feeling hungover and sluggish. Think of them as tiny repair crews trying to fix your body. But after a night of excessive celebration, they're like construction workers with throbbing heads and blurry vision. Not exactly top performance. Besides this hangover effect, Dr. Lee highlights the potential for long-term damage. Excessive alcohol is like inviting a troublemaker to the party. It can damage your liver, increase your cancer risk, and wreak havoc on your overall health. That fancy cocktail might look tempting, but Dr. Lee suggests it could be a one-way ticket to a world of health problems. So the next time you reach for a celebratory drink, remember, moderation is key. Now, let's move on to the other villain lurking in your fridge, sugar-sweetened beverages. These sugary drinks are like the siren song of the grocery aisle, beckoning you with promises of fizzy delight and instant gratification. But hold on to your stem cells, because sugar-sweetened beverages are essentially like throwing a wild party for your blood sugar levels. They spike faster than a startled cat and then come crashing down like a house of cards in a hurricane. While you're on this sugar roller coaster, your poor stem cells are trying to maintain order. They're like stressed out lifeguards desperately trying to keep the pool safe during a raging storm. All that sugary chaos hinders their ability to repair and rejuvenate your body. So, if you want to give your stem cells a fighting chance and live long enough to see flying cars and robot butlers, because who wouldn't, skip the sugar-sweetened beverages and choose something less chaotic. Remember, Dr. Lee's advice boils down to this: choose your drinks wisely. By doing so, you're giving your stem cells the support they need to keep you feeling young and healthy for years to come. We hope you're feeling empowered to take charge of your health and give your stem cells a fighting chance. Remember, every sip counts. Speaking of powerful sips, Dr. William Lee has even more insights to share in our next video. He'll be diving deep into the world of breakfast, revealing 5 meals that can either supercharge your stem cells or hinder their regenerative potential. So smash that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this knowledge with your family and friends. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep those stem cells partying like it's 2024. Watch out for the video of Dr. William Lee revealing what breakfast food you should eat to regenerate stem cells and live longer. See you